Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to give you a simple one habit challenge for business owners who want to get healthy. So, if you're a business owner, it's easy to think that you don't have time for your health or for eating healthy or weight loss or any of that, or you overcomplicate the steps and you make it more difficult than it has to be. So, in this video, I'm going to show you that you don't need a perfect diet or new workout plan every week. You just need some momentum to get started, and this is how you build it. If it's your first time here, my name is Reggie. I'm the founder of Fit for Freelance. I help business owners lose weight and feel their best without crash diets or guilt. Now, there is a free download below. You can get the 90-day jumpstart for a downloadable guide. That makes it easy to start with this, and then you can build it up over the next 3 months and have a really strong process. Here's the challenge. Pick one habit that you already know would make you feel better, give you more energy, help you run your business more effectively, help you lose weight, any of that, the things that you've been putting off that you've been meaning to do. This is a great time to start it, especially on the Monday that I'm publishing this. All right. And it can just be one simple, realistic, meaningful habit and do it every day for the next 7 days. Just make it really easy for yourself to start. It doesn't have to be big. I'm going to be doing this too. I'm going to be starting early in the morning every day with a 16-ounce cup of water to get going on this. And it really can be just that simple. Huge benefits to water. I'll put a link to that in the cards. Now, what we want to do is we want to make sure that this goal is something that you can actually see yourself doing, that you want to do, and that will make you feel proud when you check it off every day. If you don't want to do it, don't do it. Don't make up something that's really difficult that doesn't fit into your life, and don't make it something that's going to make you feel bad while you're doing it. It's something that is fun, easy to do, and is going to help you do what you want to do in a healthy, fulfilling life of your dreams. So, some examples for you: packing your lunch, having fruit for your afternoon snack, eating fruit with breakfast, having a salad with your lunch or as the main focus of your lunch, aiming to walk 6,000 steps per day, or scheduling a 30-minute walking session, going for a bike ride in the park. Tons of examples of small steps that you can take. Just pick one and get going on this challenge. So let me know in the comments, what habit will you commit to this week? And if you want an easy way to start, I have that free guide, the 90-day jumpstart, that's linked below. Next, you can watch The Secret to Starting Healthy Habits for busy entrepreneurs. I'll put that video right here. So that's today's message. As always, keep practicing. Peace.